Is this
DIY with JacQ?
Alright, if you look closely, there's a notch right there. And we gonna use something. You can use anything to pry it open. Look at this. This is a screwdriver. And we gonna get it right up under here and pop this bad boy off. We don't wanna hurt it. We're not gonna hurt your house. We're gonna take care of your house. How you even get water in here? You know what? Let's just try. Let's just try. So now we done got this cap off. And now we have this got to get off. What kind of screwdriver? I don't know what this is, but I think I got more than enough to figure out. I'll be back. Okay, I got it with my first try. It's one of these. We're gonna just go look. And if we can fix it, we can fix it. If not, we're gonna bother husband, which we don't wanna do. Oh, this little screw came out. Well, it's not a little screw, but it's a screw. But we're gonna put him over there to safety. And then, using problem solving skills, I'm guessing that you would just, now that we done got this out. Oh, okay then. Well, you just pull the knob off. But this, okay. Look at, ooh. Do we do a whole 360? Okay, we just gonna shimmy. Oh, definitely gonna need some. It's really, this with this light on is really showing how old the house is. It's all right, big girl. We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna put you with your friends. All right, now I don't know none of this. I don't know what this doodad is, and I have zero idea what this doodad is. But I think I need this out because this is my issue. Our knob could go all the way over, but now it only goes here, took to took. And then the water out the faucet only comes out a trickle, like it's just a little bit turned on. So we gotta figure something out, y'all. And then look at all this. Let's see what we can do. Oh my goodness, I just did something. So I was thinking like, oh, can you pull this out? No, we're gonna twist this bad boy out and see if it'll come out. Oh, girl, look up there, look up there, look up there. Hunty, if I can't put this bathtub back together. Okay, now this thing, this is getting on my whole nerve. This thing right here. He feels like he works for like a one knob faucet thing. Like you had a big old one that's in the middle right here, and then you just go here and go here. No, we can't work with him. Oh boy, did I break it. I just yanked it out the bottom. Okay. Let's go see, can we get his friend, his whole bottom out? Because we're going to need his whole bottom, not just half of his bottom. We got this, they'll do that. All right, so this is the one we had in there first. This one right here. And of course it looked good and all. But this bad boy right here be making it so tight that I can't even turn my water. And another thing, look at this. See this? That's like a closed thing, like a closed space. I don't need that. I went and looked at the other bathrooms to see which one they had, and it was this one. Oh boy, it was one of these. See how it's open versus this one? See it? So we gonna see what this bad boy does. We gonna sit him down. So we gonna put him in just like we would have done the other way. Of course, we already know that this part here, this little piece right here, goes to the right. We already got this, so that means that this part up here is gonna be upwards. So we got up, this part up, not this part up, and then this part to the right. Let's go in. Let's see. Let you be my eyes. Let's see. Oh, she a little snug. Make sure everything is good. Make sure she go back, because everybody has their own area. Oh boy. He just love falling on me. And then his friend, you remember him? He gonna go in here to the right. Everybody get pushed on in. All right, everybody in. She snug. Let me see. Oh, I don't even want to turn it, Lord. I don't even want to turn it. So we got it in there. It's in there. Everybody is in. Now let's get back to reassembling. We'll go first. We'll go next. Yep. This bad boy. There we go. Don't be so gentle with it, y'all. It ain't gonna hurt. Don't be so gentle with it. Let's make sure. Oh yeah, look at that. She's on there. If he is to the right, his friend is going to be to the right. See that? All right, now put the plate on. Put on real pretty like. Yep. And of course we're gonna seal that up, but we don't want no issues. We don't want no water issues. Put our right piece. Yep. Now we have this piece, our screw, which is going right in here. And if everything is well and lined up well, it should be able to go in. Let me fasten. And then of course, we're gonna put our delta back on. And delta is gonna go this way. All right, big girl. I hope you're okay. Mama gonna get you back here, but let me see how everything going. Let's cut this water back out. All right, let's see. Coming out really strong. Let's start off with the middle one with the water running. Time for soaking. Time for soaking.